Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a big time lapse of how I draw a custom design, and I needed to find some inspiration on which bike I'm actually gonna do. So I have this sitting on my desk. This one's made out of Lego, but it's a Ducati V4R of a V4R, sorry. Uh, so yeah, we're gonna take this as a base, well, not the Lego one, but a real one, and design a new bike. And hopefully by the end of this video I'll find a client for it, which would be pretty cool, but I've got high hopes for that. So yeah, let me show you how I start. Went from that to that on design, and this is what I would do if I'm not gonna change anything. So this is basically designed for the sake of designing, not so much as a series or a follow-up to the next design. It's and on and on and on. This is basically just one brain fart put down on paper. Anyway, I wanted to show you how I do it, and in a time lapse. And it took some time, about 6 to 8 hours, I guess, for such a thing as today. It still needs a name, so if you can think of something that's pretty cool, just let me know. And I am actually, if I can find the time, which I probably won't, I'm gonna 3D scan the Lego one and make a few parts to 3D print to make it look like this, because that would be a pretty cool way of actually building the bike. Because most likely nobody's gonna buy it, because it's just crazy expensive in the way I designed it, but yeah, you never know. So that will be it for this time. If you like these kinds of videos, want to see more designs, check out my Instagram page and follow me on YouTube, and see you guys next time. Bye.